Equality isn't about the same conditions for everyone. It's about creating the conditions that make it accessible to everyone, I think. And that access is different for different groups. So it's just about recognising that, being included in a sport environment is one where you can become part of a collective.
It's a great launching platform, is the Month of Action, but I think it's really important as well that it's not just February where we pay attention to it. We need it to change, and to change all year round.
I think formal education and informal education is absolutely key. I think people will probably be unwittingly engaging in behaviours that are probably unacceptable, and anything you can do to explain and educate in a sort of calm and measured way would be helpful.
Changes I'd like to say is a minimum standard that every club should be practicing to make their club inclusive. And I think clubs are in prime to teach their younger players about acceptance and about inclusion and everything that goes along with that. And if we get that right, going forward in 10 years' time, hopefully we'll have a more inclusive football in Wales. And I'd like to say an LGBTQ plus league, somewhere that they might want to stay in a mixed league, but that they might want to do that, and I think we should have that option.
The more organisations, teams, players, coaches that can help and can influence others, people around them to include and to have better feelings really towards that community, and not not make them feel left out or anything like that, then the better. And football is everyone's game, as they say, and to have as many people, whatever community they're involved in, is always a plus. Is always the best. You don't want someone to feel left out over the fact that they can't come to games or play football or get involved in it, really. So, like I say, the more people that we include and we can get playing football and watching football, then the better, because it's such a popular sport, and it's only going to get better if it keeps on getting more popular and more people watch it, more people play it.
There should always be a place for you to feel involved and listen to and have just amazing experiences. I cannot emphasize how I've had some of the greatest moments of my life since joining the Cardiff Dragons, from socials, from playing, from all of the opportunities they've given me. It really has changed my life, and just knowing that we could create an atmosphere like that on a wider scale throughout Wales and have that opportunity to change people's lives, it means the absolute world to me, because I've seen how it's affected me, and I just want to share that as far and as wide as possible.
The most important thing is that Wales as a country creates environments in whatever sport it is, whether it's gym, whether it's hockey, whether it's netball, whether it's football, whether it's rugby, where our youth and our kids feel safe, feel like they find themselves. And then if they go on and be the next sports person, even better. But if they continue their pathway where they can be themselves, that is far more important for me than anything else. So that should be what we strive for.